It's no secret that Triumph is working on a cafe racer style motorcycle. This upcoming bike will be based on the Triumph 400cc platform that we saw last year. The test mule has already been spotted in Europe multiple times, and we expect the launch to happen later this year.
But thanks to Autologue Design, we get to see a bit of the future today.
Meet Hack. It is what Autologue imagines the Thruxton 400 would look like, and I think it looks beautiful. You see, custom houses are creative hotspots, and places like these are where the surprises usually pop out from. Having said that, let's take a closer look at Hack 400.
The Hack 400 is currently available as a kit for Speed 400 owners. It consists of a semi-fairing up front and this cowl at the rear. Now the handlebar that I see right here looks like a standard handlebar that's been lowered to give it a very cafe racer feel. But once the final production motorcycle rolls out officially from Triumph, I expect to see clip-on bars. Also, I expect to see some change in the foot peg position. I think they'll be a little more rear set. Additionally, this motorcycle does not have mirrors, but I expect to see bar end mirrors come standard with the Thruxton 400. What I really like about the Hack 400 is this rear section. Not only the cowl, but this tail tidy is also giving the motorcycle a very nice, sleek, cool finish. All of this is okay, but the real question is, how does it ride?
On the engine front, we see a familiar 398cc motor. Autologue hasn't played around at all, and I don't think Triumph will either. It's nice as is with enough pep in the bottom and the mid-range. This motorcycle has a fair amount of vibrations on the handlebar, but it's missing mirrors and bar end weights too. All of these should not be a problem with the production variant.
When we talk about ergonomics, the riding posture is going to be a little more committed than the Speed 400, that's pretty obvious. And I think the Thruxton 400 will most likely be used in the city. And in that sense, the Thruxton 400 will be a city bike, a cafe racer. Now, I wasn't a big fan of the high-speed damping on the Speed 400, and if Triumph decides to get the same units on the Thruxton 400, which most likely they will, then I wish this part of ride quality is sorted when they roll the final production motorcycle. The promising bit here from the Thruxton 400 will be handling. I expect Triumph to add a little bit of sharpness to the front, and that should make for a fun riding experience. Last but not the least, this semi-fairing will add a bit of weight to the motorcycle. It's not going to be a lot, but it will definitely be heavier than the Speed 400.
So this is what the Thruxton 400 could look like possibly, and I like it. Now, judging by the spy pics, I want Triumph to make the whole experience a lot more engaging in terms of the sharpness, the posture, the power delivery, and the feel. Triumph is working on this for sure, but I want you guys to think about this. Will it be called the Thruxton 400, or will it be called the Speed 400 RR, just like the Speed 1200 RR? I also feel Triumph can offer this semi-fairing experience as an accessory kit. And while you ponder over these thoughts, I would also like to add that if Triumph does get it right, they should definitely invest in a one-make championship, the same way Royal Enfield has done with the GT Cup. Last but not the least, the pricing. Now, when the Speed and the Scrambler came out last year, the pricing was absolutely killer, and I expect no different when the Thruxton 400 rolls out. So I feel they would try to bridge the gap between the Speed and the Scrambler. Rupees 2.49 lakh is my bet. I don't know what you guys think about it. If you think it's going to be close, please drop that as a comment. But that's pretty much it. That's something that we will expect out of Triumph in the near future. The Thruxton 400 or the Speed 400 RR. That is an answer only time can give us. Thank you so much for watching this special feature along with Autologue Design. the Hack 400 on the Speed 400. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching PowerDrift. My name is Varun Painter, and I will see you later. Now, while you ponder over these thoughts, I want to add one. Now, while you ponder over these thoughts, Now, while you ponder.